Prayagraj is considered the holiest of pilgrimage centers of India. Earlier known as Allahabad, the city is situated at the confluence of three rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, and the invisible Saraswati. Witness to important events in India's freedom struggle, Prayagraj is a paradise for literary, artistic, and political pursuits. Its central business district, Civil Lines, is famous for being one of the largest town planning projects carried in the 19th century India. It was also a significant period in the Indian medical history for the introduction and spread of homeopathy treatment. Advanced Homeopathy Clinic is situated in this famous Civil Lines area, where Dr. Maroof Siddiqui and Dr. Mili Siddiqui prescribe unique homeopathic remedies. Advanced Homeopathy Clinic was established 2 decades ago.
बेसिकली होम्योपैथी जो है वो हमारे फैमिली में ही है, मेरे दादा के टाइम से. ही वॉज अ वेरी एमेच्योर सॉर्ट ऑफ डॉक्टर, पर उनके पास कुछ किताबें थी. तो मेरे फादर भी एक बहुत अच्छे होम्योपैथ थे, बट बेसिकली तो वो एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर थे. हुआ यूँ कि इन दी अर्ली डेज मेरी मदर बहुत सीरियस हो गई. पूरा आर्मी हॉस्पिटल उनके उसमें तबीयत में लगा हुआ था, एंड लास्टली दे जस्ट गिवन अप दी होप कि अब कुछ हो नहीं सकता है. शी एक्चुअली वेंट इनटू कोमा. देन माय फादर, एज अ लास्ट रिसोर्ट, he had some books of his father, homeopathy books. He went through those books and tried to find any solution for that problem. Actually, he had no hopes. So there he found some medicine, the medicine's name, which he gave to my mother, and she came out of coma the very next day. So he was himself very surprised by the way homeopathy can act. And the whole army team of doctors, they were surprised. We had just given up the hope and this patient revived. How come this is possible? So actually they don't have any belief in homeopathy. But my father, from that point, he became a big fan of homeopathy and started reading different type of books. And he had put in a lot of effort. I don't think any professional homeopath can put in such effort like my father did. He started proving medicines on himself. He had a big lab in our servant quarter. He had a big lab of different sources from which homeopathic medicines are made. He used to prove them on himself and write down the symptoms which they can produce. And when he was confirmed that this medicine is for this particular problem, then he used to give those medicines to the patients, to his patients. And he had fantastic results. All the incurable type of diseases which we have seen in our childhood used to come to our place, and they used to get treated very well. One case I remember was of gangrene of foot. We have a photograph of that patient still with us. That was to be amputated, but my father saved his leg. He got better. So this is the legacy which I had when I went for homeopathic studies.
Today, Advanced Homeopathy Clinic Prayagraj has proved to be extremely effective in treating numerous patients the world over.
Advanced homeopathy is mostly about taking care of patients in every way. When a patient comes with a disease and वो बहुत सारी allopathic medicines के undergone, like he has undergone so many diseases, so many antibiotics and so many hospitals and everything, लेकिन वहाँ से हम उसको वापस लेकर आते हैं.
The doctors at the Advanced Homeopathy Clinic firmly believe that homeopathy is the most suitable form of treatment for acute and chronic diseases.
Homeopathy is the best part किसी भी disease के लिए. ओके, इट्स नॉट कि हम इसी चीज़ के लिए एक डिजीज़ का पार्ट ले रहे हैं कि सिर्फ एक्यूट्स ले रहे हैं, क्रॉनिक ले रहे हैं. हर चीज़ के लिए होम्योपैथी इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द सर्जिकल केसेस, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ट्रॉमा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम एक्सीडेंट्स एंड ऑल. उसको छोड़ देंगे अगर तो होम्योपैथी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ एवरी डिजीज़. ओके और होम्योपैथी में आने के सबसे बड़ा फायदा तो ये होगा, इट हैज जीरो साइड इफेक्ट्स, इट रेजेज योर इम्यूनिटी वेरी इजीली। जहाँ पर भी व्हेन यू टेक टेक एंटीबायोटिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंटीबायोटिक्स दे लोअर योर इम्यूनिटी। जहाँ भी आप होम्योपैथी लेते हैं, इट रेजेज योर इम्यूनिटी। जहाँ इम्यून लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है तो बॉडी इटसेल्फ टेक्स केयर ऑफ एवरी डिजीज। Our body can make every single medicine, but the immunity should be at the optimum level. Homeopathy is basically immunomodulization. आपकी इम्यूनिटी को ना वो कम करती है ना ज़्यादा करती है, उसको एक बैलेंस पर लेके जाती है। ओके, दैट इम्यूनोमोडुलाइजेशन इज समथिंग कि आपकी इम्यूनिटी जब कम हो जाती है, देन यू गेट सिक सो इजीली, यू गेट सो मेनी इन्फेक्शंस, एवरी बैक्टीरिया, एवरी फंगस, एवरी जर्म वो आपके अंदर आ जाता है, लेकिन उसके अलावा जहाँ ज़्यादा हो जाती है तब क्या होता है, दैट यू आर एलर्जिक। एलर्जी होने से देन यू स्टार्ट स्नीजिंग, देन यू हैव सम रैशेस एंड एवरीथिंग। तो ये सारी चीज़ों को एक बैलेंस करने के लिए होम्योपैथी इज यूज्ड।
Dr. Maroof and Dr. Millie have together resolved many challenging cases and produced miraculous results based on personalized treatment.
Patients do contact us on phone and they do walk in, and there are many patients from outside Allahabad and outside India also. They contact us through email, through WhatsApp, they chat with us, and we send medicines for them, we courier the medicines, and patients can contact with through video calling, and we consult them on video calling also. There are many technologies which you can use and other persons can use to get in touch with us.
Choose health, choose advanced homeopathy. Get in touch today.